Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. What I will be presenting this afternoon will be how to troubleshoot our big refrigerator. Because after the brownout, we try to what you call this energize this refrigerator if it's still working or not. But we have noticed that the compressor is not working. So, but the power to the refrigerator is okay. The fan of the refrigerator is working. The light inside the refrigerator is working. But the refrigerator, even though set to a certain coldness for both the food area and the freezer, they are not both working. So I suspected that the relay, which try to energize this compressor here, is actually dead. So what I did is that, obviously the compressor is not working. That's why it's not cooling inside the rep. So my suspect is that the relay, this is the relay. Relay is used to connect compressors to the power supply, because initially there will be a big inrush of current. So I tried to pull out this relay here, and I use my multi-tester. Okay, and the continuity is actually OL, meaning it's an open circuit. So I suspect that this relay here is being popped out by the surge when the when the current coming after the brownout. Of course, the utility company tried to energize our line, and supposedly there will be big inrush of current going to our equipment. So that's actually a very dangerous thing. Actually, my this refrigerator here got a what you call the surge protector, but the surge protector is intact. Actually, the fan of the ref is still operating. The light inside the ref is lighted, but it's not cooling off. Like what I said, the compressor is not working. So my suspect is that the relay, which tried to connect the compressor to the power line, if it operates, is actually open. And as you can see it, okay, I bring out the relay. This is the relay. I put the tester on the ohm range, and as you can see it, it's an OL. It's an open circuit. Okay. So what will I do is that I will try to buy a replacement relay, and I will try to plug it in again to make this compressor alive. I think the compressor is still okay. Okay. The cooling pins are okay because I try to blow all the dust from here. There are lots of dust, so that is after 20 years of using this one. But I suspect that I could still salvage or could use this big rep of ours. Okay, it's a big one. By just replacing the relay which connects the compressor to the power line, because when the power line is energized, okay, and if the relay is intact, of course the compressor should operate. But since the relay is actually open circuit, okay, it does not connect the compressor to the power line. That's why the rep is not giving any coldness, because the compressor is off. Because we could not create a coldness inside the rep if the compressor is off. So to make this compressor alive, I must have to replace this relay here which is the main connector between the compressor and the power line. Okay. So this is for now. This is actually the back circuit of our big rep. Right. Actually, I bring out my towel and something like a pillow to lay down here so I could bring out the relay from inside. But prior to that, of course, the proper way is to clean first all the dust, because if you are working with so many dust, you cannot concentrate. So the main thing here is to clean first the underneath of the refrigerator, and if it's clean, and that's the time to troubleshoot it. And like what I said, my suspect is that the relay is dead. Okay. It was popped out, but maybe by the surge. So when the power is injected to this relay, it will not connect the compressor to the power line. That's why the compressor is off. And it could not create, of course, if the compressor is off, there will be no coolness inside the refrigerator. So for now, I will try to go online. I will try to buy a new relay. Okay? And I will try to put it back. And hopefully, this refrigerator could still be used again. Because if I could make the compressor operate, of course, it will create a coldness inside the refrigerator. And that's it. So for now, this is Professor David de los Reyes, troubleshooting a big rep of ours, okay, which does not create or produce any coldness after a surge, what you call this, surge problem. Surge problem after the brownout, the big inrush of current pop outs anything that it will go into its fat. And unluckily, this relay here pops out. Pops out meaning it's defective already. So it could not connect the compressor to the power line for it to operate. So this is for now. This is Professor David J. de los Reyes.